ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಹರಿ ಓಂ. ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂಬರಧರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣುಂ ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವದನಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ಸರ್ವವಿಘ್ನೋಪಶಾಂತಯೇ. ಅಗಜಾನನ ಪದ್ಮಾರ್ಕಂ ಗಜಾನನಮಹರ್ನಿಶಂ ಅನೇಕದಂ ತಂ ಭಕ್ತಾನಾಂ ಏಕದಂತಂ ಉಪಾಸ್ಮಹೇ. ಜ್ಞಾನಾನಂದಮಯಂ ದೇವಂ ನಿರ್ಮಲಸ್ಫಟಿಕಾಕೃತಿಂ ಆಧಾರಂ ಸರ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಾಂ ಹಯಗ್ರೀವಂ ಉಪಾಸ್ಮಹೇ. ಹಯಗ್ರೀವಂ ಉಪಾಸ್ಮಹೇ. ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಕಮಲಪತ್ರಾಕ್ಷಂ ಪುಣ್ಯಶ್ರವಣಕೀರ್ತನಂ ವಾಸುದೇವಂ ಜಗದ್ಯೋನಿಂ ನೌಮಿ ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ಹರಿಂ. ಓಂ ಭದ್ರಂ ಕರ್ಣೇಭಿಃ ಶೃಣುಯಾಮ ದೇವಾಃ ಭದ್ರಂ ಪಶ್ಯೇಮಾಕ್ಷಭಿರ್ಯಜತ್ರಾಃ ಸ್ಥಿರೈರಂಗೈಃ ತುಷ್ಟುವಾಗುಂಸಸ್ತನೂಭಿಃ ವ್ಯಸೇಮ ದೇವಹಿತಂ ಯದಾಯುಃ. ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ ನ ಇಂದ್ರೋ ವೃದ್ಧಶ್ರವಾಃ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ ನಃ ಪೂಷಾ ವಿಶ್ವವೇದಾಃ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ ನಸ್ತಾರ್ಕ್ಷ್ಯೋ ಅರಿಷ್ಟನೇಮಿಃ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ ನೋ ಬೃಹಸ್ಪತಿರ್ದದಾತು. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಅಗ್ನೇನಯ ಸುಪಥಾರಾಯೇ ಅಸ್ಮಾನ್ ವಿಶ್ವಾನಿ ದೇವ ವಜುನಾನಿ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಯುಯೋಧ್ಯಸ್ಮಜ್ಜುಹುರಾಣಮೇನೋ ಭೂಯಿಷ್ಠಾಂ ತೇನ ಮುಕ್ತಿಂ ದಿಧೇಮ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಓಂ ಆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ್ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣೋ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವರ್ಚಸಿ ಜಾಯತಾಮಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೇ ರಾಜನ್ಯಃ ಶೂರೈಷವ್ಯೋ ದಿವ್ಯಾಧೀ ಮಹಾರಥೋ ಜಾಯತಾಂ. ದುಗ್ಧ್ರೀ ಧೇನುಃ ಓಢಾನಡ್ವಾನಾಸು ಸಪ್ತಿಃ ಪುರಂಧಿರ್ಯೋಷಾ ಜಿಷ್ಣುರಧೇಷ್ಠಾ. ಸಭೇಯೋ ಯುವಾಸ್ಯ ಯಜಮಾನಸ್ಯ ವೀರೋ ಜಾಯತಾಂ. ನಿಕಾಮೇ ನಿಕಾಮೇನ ಪರ್ಜನ್ಯೋ ವರ್ಷತು ಫಲವತ್ಯೋ ನವೋಷಧಯಃ ಪಚ್ಯಂತಾಂ ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮೋ ನಃ ಕಲ್ಪೇತಾಂ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಓಂ ಆಪ್ಯಾಯಂತು ಮಮಾಂಗಾನಿ ವಾಕ್ಪ್ರಾಣಶ್ಚಕ್ಷುಶ್ರೋತ್ರಮಥೋ ಬಲಮಿಂದ್ರಿಯಾಣಿ ಚ ಸರ್ವಾಣಿ. ಸರ್ವಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಉಪನಿಷದಂ ಮಾಹಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ನಿರಾಕುರ್ಯಾಂ. ಮಾಮಾ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ನಿರಾಕರೋತು. ಅನಿರಾಕರಣಮಸ್ತು ಅನಿರಾಕರಣಂ ಮೇ ಅಸ್ತು. ತದಾತ್ಮನಿ ನಿರತೇಯ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ಸು ಧರ್ಮಾಃ ತೇ ಮಯಿ ಸಂತು ತೇ ಮಯಿ ಸಂತು. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. So today we are having the Adhyayanam, Parayanam of the very powerful text of many Vedic texts, and this is what we call as Durgamma Saptasati. There are 700 slokas picked up from Markandeya Puranam, and that has become highly popular, where there is a glory of Durga Parameswari describing the victory of Devi on very toughest Rakshasas who are equally a great bhaktas to her. But bhaktas means Parameswari cannot always grant continuation of life. She has also to give the exit for them, because all people are interested to not to hold the body long. However will be the activity, however will be the earnings and acquisitions, but ultimately what we want is we want to get out, because earth is not constant. Even earth itself is not constant, because when pralayam happens, everything will be merged into water. Idamba agrasalila asa. That's how one of the Upanishads begin. What was there before any creation came into being? Idamba agrasalilasa. Agre, at first, there was just plenitude of water. In this water, there are some Chiranjeevis like Markandeya, Vyasa, and so on. They are all some seven saptaite Chiranjeevinaha. The Chiranjeevis are able to see, but they could see only darkness and water. And Markandeya Maharshi was one who was also witnessed the whole thing. Then ultimately, one of the theories in Puranas tell you that Pada Ravindam Mukha Ravinde Vinivesayantam Vatasya Patrasya Pute Sayanam Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. So in this Mukundam Balam Manasa Smarami and a Vatapatra, Krishna was there. Paramatma Narayana is there, keeping his foot finger into his mouth. And even today, any baby, just for a time, when soon after birth or sometime later, it will put the thumb finger of the foot into the mouth for a while, either out of happiness or cry or whatever is the status of the mood. So that is one sample that has been given to all babies, human babies born in this world. Because I have taken the photographs of my grandson just for a while, and he put his small foot finger, thumb finger into that. Then I suddenly remembered. So, but that they lose it because their pada is so crystal clear and all that they would put in the mouth and try to chew for a while. So that's why the creation is really interesting. And at that creation, Markandeya Maharshi was live, and he was able to later on give us a Puranam called Markandeya Puranam, going by his name. And they're all top Gnanis. So whatever that comes out from the mouth or pen of the Gnanis is always everlasting guidance to all humanity at all generations. But only it is the fortune that only a few people will try to log in to that kind of spiritual knowledge and get better at in spiritual journey. Because the body is not permanent, the mind is not permanent, the buddhi is permanent, which will help the body and mind to operate. But if that buddhi is polluted, is differently monitored, then it is very hard for people to get elevated. So that's why we have the famous Gayatri mantra, where we see that Ammavaru, Gayatri is Parameswari. The other day, Aravind Rao Garu, who is a police officer, commissioner of police, Andhra Pradesh retired, who has gone through all the ranks and promotions as a police officer and ultimately retired as a commissioner. But still, there is that another parallel line of spirituality running in him, so that he is able to balance to some extent the spiritual knowledge, the gnanam, because it is promised that gnanavan mama asnute, only a person who has become a gnani, not BA, BSc, BCom, MB, BA, not all these degrees. These degrees gods don't understand, and they are all only Budara Nimittam Bahukruta Vesham. Shankaracharya tells you in Vajagovindam, they are all for Udara Nimittam, seen only to feed our stomach or belly. All these things are used afterwards. When belly is also burnt, then what more is there for us? Only the Paramatma and the spiritual path. Therefore, we have a beautiful sloka praying Parameswari Durga this way. Devi Prapanna Hare Prasida Prasida Mataha Jagato Khilasya Praseda Visveswari Pahi Vishwam Vamishwari Devi Characharasya. So Characharasya for mobile and immobile sections of the creation, she is the Ishwari. And otherwise also it is said, Ishwari, Ishwarinam. Ammavaru, she is the Ishwari for Ishwarinam. There are hundreds and thousands of Ishwaris are there or Ishwaras are there. Ishwaranam Ishwaraha, Ishwarinam Ishwaraha means only one. That is Parameshwari, that's what we call Parabrahma or Parameshwari and all that. So, Brahmahamasmi, Yohamasmi, Brahmahamasmi. Okay, Ahamevaham tam tam juhomi swaha. In order to sustain, maintain a better, who is that person? You are the only person. You are the destiny of your own future, of your own thing. Therefore, Atmaiva Bandhu Atmanaha. Therefore, Charajarasya Ammavaru evaru Visveshwari, Ishwari, and at the same time, people are always, those who are born, they always have got in a way or the two, some remnants of karma. Karma should be stopped or erased. Then only there is a betterment. So karmana badhyate jantuhu gnanena vimuchyate. So the gnana is only one which will untie the enticements here. Therefore, Vishveshwari Prasida Vishwam Pahi, and also Mataha Jagato Khilasya. She is the mother Akhilasya Jagataha. There is, it says the Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaki, Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka, whatever it is. Because any highest person must have the power. And the power makes the person important, not the person at all. The seat is important. That's why in Lalita Sahasranamam we have Sri Mata, Sri Maharagni, Sri Mat Simhasaneshwari. So these three names tell you how big is Lalita, how rich is Lalita Parameswari, and how powerful she is. Simhasaneshwari. So Simhasana is the scepter in hand, and then she is the Ishwari. All her commands are being observed or are followed by all people. That's why Swatantra Sarvatantresi Dakshinamurti Rupini. So we call her Durga Parameswari too Swatantra Sarvatantresi. For example, in Mahishasuramardini section of Durga Sapsati, when that Mahishasura tells that Amma, I am alone to fight with you. You have done with all my army. Then I am alone, but I see you so many. You are along with you, so many Mukhya Sena is there to fight with me. How can I manage you? Then that Devi, she is a Satantra, Sarvatantreshwari. Therefore, Ekaivaham bhavam yatra ka dvitiya mamapara. She says, oh fool, there is no second for me at all. Ekaivaham. I am Jagadishwari. But Pasyayetan, I am trying to withdraw all these forces into me. Similarly, when Pralayam takes place, all the living beings, whoever existed at that time of Pralayam, are all taken into the stomach of Narayana. Shantakaram Bhujagasayanam, ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ, as you see in Vishnu Sahasranamam, the photo, where into the stomach of the Paramatma, all the creatures are taken into reserve. And after the process of Pralayam is over, then he will just release all of them. Yatha Purvamakalpayatu. The Aruna Prasna or the Saura Suktam mantras tell you of Rigveda and Yajurveda that Yatha Purvamakalpayatu. So Narayana, Devdhata, he has just created back all the creatures Yatha Purvam as it was earlier. And again we make a mirror, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matrurupena samsthita namastasyai 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 namo namaha. So Ammavaru Matrurupena andre artha, she is the motherboard. All for your TV or your mobile or anything like that, there is what we call as motherboard. A motherboard, we don't have any gnana of the motherboard. when you take it to the repairer who has studied and who has got some gnanam in that, not simply by reading books, who is able to completely have the touch knowledge of the motherboard of a TV or RAM or anything like that, he will be able to do what is wrong and make it right and all that. And there is one important thing. Say an old man of about age 75 and odd, he took his mobile to the doctor, to the mobile repairer, and said, see, I don't know, I don't get any calls, I can't even call anybody. What is wrong with my mobile? Then that mobile repairer opened and saw, and he saw that and said, sir, it is very good. There is no problem with your mobile. Oh, then that means none of my children are calling me. What happened to them? With all that remorse, he just returns kept taking that. So this would happen unless you call, unless somebody calls, that mobile has no work at all. The motherboard there has no work at all. So that's why the Ammavaru is the mother. She is the motherboard for any and everything. So Namastasya, you make number of namaskaras to her. And such Durga Parameswari, all these 9 days, Navaratri is going to begin. And during Navaratris, some temple people and some people organize Nitya Parayanam of the entire 700 slokas of Durga Sapsati. Those who can afford time, leisure, bhakti, and also manpower, money power, etc. When they were able to do it, it's good. Because by making Parayanam or repeated repetitions, the energy of the Parameswari enhances, and with that enhanced power of Devi will also enhance our power. After all, we always look for Vruddhi, and we are always engaged with the Suddhi, Vruddhi, and Abhyudaya. These are the only three activities are going on. Suddhi, Vruddhi, and Abhyudaya. In this Punya Vachana mantras, so ali ಒಂದು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಶುದ್ಧಿ ವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಭ್ಯುದಯ ಕರ್ಮಣಿ ಪ್ರವರ್ತಮಾನಾಹ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So whatever activity that we have taken up is only leading to these three improvements. So purity, enhancement, and also further enhancement and prosperity, fine. So that is the Durga Sapsati. This is the right time. So next week, before we meet, we can also start reading Durga Sapsati. However, whatever months. Actually, there are three Sataka, the Charitas. Prathama Charitam, Ditiya Satakam, Tritiya Charitam. So there are different ways and modes through which you can approach Devi, but Devi is hardly bothered how best you will approach. But whatever approach you make, Saranagati you make, because in Soundaralari Shankara tells, Tavahi Charanaveva Saranau anta. So Ammavari Charanale Sarananga Unnappudu, what we can do, we can just approach her, because we are all in world, we are in the very electronic and technological IT world. So in this IT world, people are hardly having time, because during Navaratris, those who are workers in the companies, various, they have no time, they have no way. But still, whatever, however, is possible, so that could be done. In fact, I can tell what the practice could be. See, when I went to Kakinada and I happened to meet one great Sri Vidyopasaka, Balachandra Shastri also, I remember. And I had already familiar with this Durga Sapsati Upasana right from 1972 before. Anyway, so he came and told me, sir, people are no time much. So these three, Argala Stotram, Raksha Stotram, and also those three stotras before as a preamble, read it. And you can read Prathama Charitam, keep quiet on Saraswati Puja day. And on Durgastami, Dvitiya Charitam, because Mahishasura Mardini is Dvitiya Charitam. And in Tritiya Charitam on Maharnavami. And conclude the whole show. So these 3 days, The Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, these 3 days, you can just recite 3 charitas and do some puja. Every time you can do some puja and make some naivedyam, most important, because we must remember that when you do puja, however it is, how long it is or so, ನೈವೇದ್ಯಂ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಧೂಪ ದೀಪ ನೈವೇದ್ಯ ತಾಂಬೂಲ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೈಹಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಧೂಪಂ ದೀಪಂ ಅಂಡ್ ನೈವೇದ್ಯಂ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹಾರತಿ ಕರ್ಪೂರ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ 5 items, ಪಂಚೋಪಚಾರ ಪೂಜಾ, ಷೋಡಶೋಪಚಾರ. Actually, there are number of Upanishads. That's called Ekopachara and also Panchopachara, Saptaupachara, and then 24 and 52 and so on. But in fact, the upacharas that you do to them is depending upon our time capsule and many other things. But anyway, this mode also you can take it. Just read first Charitam on Saptami day, on Ashtami, Mahishasura-mardini, Dvitiya Charitam, and next one, Tritiya Charitam, and make Mangalaharti and all that simply for Parayanam. Otherwise, you can do Homam, Japam, whatever, because there are so many modes, but whatever mode you do, depending upon your Yathashakti formula, you can do it. And then do a song. Because who is this Durga? Why we should be so much attached means Om Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadrakali Kapalini Durga Kshama Shiva Dhatri Swaha Swadha Namostute जयत्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते. So here we have got so many compliments to her. More important is we just finished Swadha Namaha. These two things, Swaha and Swadha, we have finished. Swadha is during Pitrupakshas. Today and tomorrow being the Mahalaya Amavasya, we offer our Swadha to Pitru. Namo Devebhyaha Swadha Pitrubhyaha. This one we do it. And all those things are being received by Devi, and because she is a Parashakti, besides and beyond all things, Parameswari is there, very much authority and controlling and all that, and everything is happening only because of the directive given by Parameswari. Many times we fret that, oh, I have not done, it has not taken place, and all this kind of dukkham, manaha, ashanti, all these things will be there. Because in order to regulate and discipline the mind, Parameswara has given us buddhi. And that buddhi is to be taken care. That's why Shankaracharya has written Atma Bodha. And our Atma Bodha, you have to, because you are the Guru for yourself, you have to educate your Atma. You have to make your Atma happy. And even in the Krishna Bhagavad Gita also says, Atmaiva bandhuhu atmanaha natmanamo sadayet. If you exactly put a question, who is exactly Guru? There are Gurus, everybody is a Guru, but Acharya, but real Guru is you. And your real Guru begins from your mother, and you, and then alternate it. So mother and you alternate yourself, because that is Matrurupena Samsthita. So when we don't know anything, and also we all know that the human baby is the only one baby in the creation which is completely dependent upon somebody. Until 1 or 2 years, the baby is independent. Until it picks up like movement and all that, it is just dependent for any and everything. But at that time, the mother and father and elders, they take care of the baby and brought up. Therefore, the gratitude should be there, and indebtedness can never be cancelled. So that Kalaratri Namostute. Now we are in the Kalaratri section, because Kala is the time. Time by itself is dark. But that darkness we cannot enjoy. That darkness should be dispelled, and something here must be done. And as you do it for some time, again the darkness will come onto us. because darkness is continuously present in us. That's why, you see, tamoghnaya himaghnaya shatrughnaya te namaha jayaya jayabhadraya haryasvaya namo namaha. So the Surya Bhagavan is said to be the dispeller of darkness. And where there is Surya, there is no darkness. So where there is no Surya, there is darkness. So the Kala, actually by nature, it is dark. It is a fear. And it is all that. But we should, Buddhi is there that has given, that has been, we have been endowed with that. And with that, that Kala Ratri has to be made as a Kala Surya. That's why Surya or light. We cannot remain in darkness long time. So that's why Kalaratri Namostute. So I don't want to repeat again. You know, we are in the first Charitam. A Kshatriya, Maharaja, Chakravarti, he was defeated by the enemies, and his property or all that has been looted, I mean, has been occupied by Shatrus, and they are not dharmic people, and including his ministers who are dharmic were also influenced by the enemies who are adharmic, because yatha raja tatha prajaha, the people just are similar to the king or ruler or discipliner. That's why it is 100 times important for a ruler or for an authority or for an officer to be very much disciplined. And all similarly gurus. If guru is not disciplined, then people mistake him. So that's why Mahajano Yenagataha Sayeva Pantha no Matu Helre Mahajanara Gurugal Doddavaru Ye Margadalli Hogidaro Ade Nam Marga. We need not make any new inventions at all. Even Einstein also told, what I discovered only, no inventions. And so that's why we call it as a research. So repeat searching is called research. Even Valmiki Maharshi, he has given a definition for research, the English word. In Ramayana, he said, Vyaktavanveshate bhuyaha. See, what is visible, what is available, what is not visible, that only we are trying to search for or hunt after. The hunting it is. So, Yaktamanveshate. That's why the king came to the forest with a pretext of going for hunting. Because Maharajas cannot remain always in the state capital. As one of the rules, he has to go for hunting. While he goes for hunting, he has to also visit the hermitages of various sages who have them built and maintained, and education being important by the rishis in the forest, the gurukulas. So that's why a king must take tour towards the forest areas, because our India or any country is always geographically occupied by forests. So our Chakravarti Kshetra, Maharanya Kshetra, or India or any country, Maharanya Kshetra, and there all Aranyas are very sacred. Naimisaranya, Dandakaranya, etc. Even today in Sankalpa we say Dandakaranye, whatever, Ramakshetre, Dandakaranye. These are the two things we had in our Mahasankalpam. Anyway, so he came to the Hermitage, and similarly another Vaisya, a rich person, so Samadhi by name, he is called Surathai Samadhi. He also came to the same place, and when king was walking around, and he found similarly that gentleman and Vaisya, and they just introduce themselves. Both of them, they go to Swamiji, who has that ashrama, and put a wonderful question, which is a common question to all people. Aya, what is that? Even though I am away from my people, come to far from madding crowd place, still our mind is there in the family, in the state, with our family members, with all that. Whether dharmic way is going on or not, what about their health, all these things are there. So with this kind of common worry, both of them go and submit to the king, and then that king and put forth their points saying that why this kind of mind absence of control is happening, why my mind is always drawing back akarshana to my family there, who are not interested in me, who are not bothered about me. Generally, it is said, those who are really interested in you, they are your friends. A friend in need is indeed a friend ಅಂತ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಇಂಡೀಡ್ ಇನ್ನೀಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥ. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಎ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀಯಾ ಫೋನು, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನಾನು ಅದು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಪೀಪಲ್. If you talk to somebody over phone also, they say they give program and they will say that I am busy. To get to know their program, why should we phone also? So similarly, the same. Then that Rishi tells that yes, there is Mahamaya, and that Mahamaya will cast her Maya on all people. She will not leave people free from Maya. See, Saisha Prasanna Varadan Runam Bhavati Muktaye Sa Vidya Parama Mukte Hetu Bhuta Sanadri. I am just reading the 57th sloka. We have come up to that. And Mahamaya ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳು. ಈಗ ಮಹಾಮಾಯ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಮಾಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಸೂಕ್ತಂ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್, ವಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು. ಶ್ರೀ ಸೂಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಶ್ರೀ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ಸತ್ಯಂಚ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮಾಯಾಂತರಾಯಶ್ಚ ಬಾಹ್ಯ ಅಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಯಾಂತರಾಯ ಅಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ, ಅಂತರಾಯ ಅಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ. ಸೊ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ತಾಯಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ? ಬಾಹ್ಯ, ಶಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಮ್ ಅವೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಬಿ ಫ್ರೀ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಅದಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರಹ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೋ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ವಾಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8 ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ. ಸೊ ರೋಡ್ ವಾಚ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈವರ್ಷನ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ನೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ದಿ ವೇ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪರಮ, ಆ ಮಹಾಮಾಯ ಇದ್ದಾಳಲ್ಲ ಪರಮ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಪರಮ, ಮುಕ್ತಹೇತು ಭೂತ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಪುಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಸ್ವರ್ಗಲೋಕಂ, ನಾಟ್ ಪುಲ್ಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್. ಸೊ ಆಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ, ಸ್ವರ್ಗಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಲೋಕಗಳು ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಈ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಭುವನಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ನೆವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇವ್ರು ಕಾಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಲಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮೀನ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನೇನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ವೇದಾನ್ಯಾದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಗೀತಾ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ರಾಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬರು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರು, ಅಸ್ಟ್ರಾನಮರು, IPS ಆಫೀಸರು ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಅವರು ಕೇಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಂದರೂ he used to come all the way from some place in Thumapara to JP Nagar and attend. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಖಂಡಿತ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ, ಸರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಅನ್ಯಾಯವಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಮಹಾನ್ ಭಾವರು. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ವಿಚ್ Some people are committed to the Veda, Adhyayana and Veda Purusha, Seva, etc. Hange, ili Mukti Heta Bhuta Sanatani. And at the same time, she Samsara Bindu Hetascha. She has got double-edged blade in her. One, she will make us enticed to the samsara. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್. ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗದೇ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಂಸಾರ. ಸಂಸಾರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ಯಕ್ ಸರತಿಯ ಸಾರಭೂತಂ, ಸಮ್ಯಕ್ ಸಾರಭೂತಂ ಯತು ಸಂಸಾರ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾರ ಇದೆ ಸಂಸಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೂ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಂಸಾರ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಂಧವಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ ಮಂತ್ರ ದಿನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೃತ್ಯೋ ಮುಚ್ಚೀಯ ಮಾ ಅಮೃತಾತ್, ಮಾ ಮುಚ್ಚೀಯ ಅಮೃತಾತ್ ಬಂಧನಾತ್ ಮುಚ್ಚೀಯ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಅಯ್ಯ ಶಿವ, ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಬಂಧನಗಳಿಂದ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ ಆಫ್. ಸೊ samsara bandha is that. So because Sarveswareswari. Now, I think Sivalinga, if you are there, please start repeating this sloka. Om Rajo Vacha Bhagavan Kahisa Devi. Yaradru heli Bhagavan Kahisa Devi. First Savritam.
Bhagavan Kahisa Devi.
Bhagavan
Kahisa Devi Mahamayeeti Ambavan Braviti Katamutsanna Sa Karmasyasta Kim Dvaja Yat Prabhavacha Sa Devi Sarupa Yadudbhava Tat Sarvam Shrotumichami Svatto Brahma Vidamvara.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದಮ್ಮ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಪಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಿಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಡ್. ಹೇಳಿ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಕಾಹಿಸಾ ದೇವಿ. ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಕಾಹಿಸಾ ದೇವಿ.
ಭಗವಾನ್ ಕಾಹಿಸಾ ದೇವಿ
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ 2 times.
ಮಹಾಮಾಯೇ.
No, don't
ಭಗವಾನ್
continue.
ಕಾಹಿಸಾ ದೇವಿ.
ಮಹಾಮಾಯಾ ಇತಿ ಯಾಂ ಭವಾನ್. Mahamaya iti
Bhavan. Mahamayeti Bhavan.
Braviti Kathamutpanna.
Mahamayeti Bhavan. Braviti Katamutsanna. Braviti Katamutsanna.
Sa karma. Asyascha kim dvija.
Asyascha kim dvija.
Yatra bhavacha sa devi. Yat swarupa. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ. ನೀವು ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯು. ಯತ್ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಯದುದ್ಭವ ತತ್ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೋತುಮಿಚ್ಛಾಮಿ.
ಯತ್ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೋತುಮಿಚ್ಛಾಮಿ.
ತತ್ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೋತುಮಿಚ್ಛಾಮಿ.
ತತ್ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೋತುಮಿಚ್ಛಾಮಿ.
ಶ್ರೋತುಮಿಚ್ಛಾಮಿ.
ತತ್ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೋತುಮಿಚ್ಛಾಮಿ.
ತ್ವತ್ತೋ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದಾಂಬರ.
ತ್ವತ್ತೋ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದಾಂಬರ.
ॐ ऋषिरुवाच
ॐ ऋषिरुवाच ॐ ऋषिरुवाच
नित्या एव सा जगतो नित्यैव
नित्यैवासा
सा
जगतो नित्यैवासा जगतो
जगन्मूर्तिः
जगन्मूर्ति जगन्मूर्ति
तया सर्वमिदं ततं
जगन्मूर्ति
तया सर्वमिदं
तया
ततं
सर्वमिदं ततं तया तत
सर्वमिदं
तया
ततं
सर्वमिदं ततं तया सर्वमिदं ततं
तथापि
तथापि तथापि
तत्समुत्पत्तिः
तत्समुत्पत्तिः तत्समुत्पत्तिः
बहुधा श्रूयतां मम
बहुधा श्रूयतां मम बहुधा श्रूयतां मम
देवानां कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम्
देवानां कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थं देवानां कार्यसिद्ध्यर्थम्
आविर्भवति सा यदा
माविर्भवति सा यदा माविर्भवति
आविर्भवति
सा यदा माविर्भवति
सा यदा
सा यदा
उत्पन्ना इति तदा लोके
उत्पन्ना तदा लोके उत्पन्ना इति तदा लोके
सा नित्यापि अभिधीयते
सा नित्यापि अभिधीयते सा नित्यापि अभिधीयते
Now the question comes up here. Bhagavan, Kahi Sa Devi, whom you mentioned as Mahamaya, who is that Mahamaya about whom you are going to talk about, and how is she born? Katham Utpanna, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? and karma cha asyaha. Oh, hey Kim Dvija, what is the karma of this Mahamaya? Oh, Brahmin, please tell me. Not only about the birth and activity of or profession of the Devi, also Yat Prabhavacha, what is the stretch of Mahima of Parameswari, and what is the Prabhavam, how much influence she can wield upon the land and people and the entire Jagat. And what is the form? Sadevi, Yat Swarupa. Please tell me, how does she look like? Because Swarupam is important. Unless there is that Sagunatvam or Sarupatvam, it is hard for our meditation. That's why whenever a guru gives you a Mula Mantram, he will not just give some simply Mula Mantram, but he will give you the Dhyana Slokam connected to the Mula Mantram. ಸೊ ಆ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಶ್ಲೋಕವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೂಲ ಮಂತ್ರ ಜಪ ಪಾರಾಯಣ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನೋ ಆ ಮಹಾಮಾಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ ತಾಯಿಯ ಪ್ರಭಾವವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾಳೆ? ಈಸಿ ಗಾಸ್ಲಿ, ಘೋರವಾಗಿರ್ತಾರ, ಅಘೋರವಾಗಿರ್ತಾರ, ಅಥವಾ ಶಾಂತಳಾಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ? ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಇ ಬಿ? ಹೌ ಶಡ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಶಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಪ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಉದ್ಭವ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಬರ್ತ್. ಅಮ್ಮವಾರಿಗೆ ಗರ್ಭವಾಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಉದ್ಭವ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಸೂತಿ ಮೂರ್ತಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪೀಪಲ್ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ ಟೆಲ್ ಅಸ್, ಆರ್ ಭಾಗವತಂ ಟೆಲ್ ಅಸ್ ದಟ್ ರಾಮಾವತಾರ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾವತಾರ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗರ್ಭವಾಸ. But other avatars of earlier avatars are all Udbhava Murtis. So even today in Bangalore, we have got so many Udbhava Murti temples. For example, we have got Udbhava Adisesha temple near the Subramanya Swami temple in Guthalli, or we have that Udbhava Vinayaka and so on. Nobody can, they themselves come up. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಒಂದು ಸಾಲಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಸಾಲಗ್ರಾಮ ಹೊಡೆದೋದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೆದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ that when it is broken, the outer cup is taken out. Inside there was Narayana picture embossed. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆ ನಾರಾಯಣನನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಆ ಸಾಲಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸಾಲಗ್ರಾಮ ನಿವಾಪಾರಿ ಪಾಪಹಾರಿ ನಿಷೇವತಾಂ ಆಜನ್ಮಕೃತ ಪಾಪಾನಾಂ ಪ್ರಾಯಶ್ಚಿತ್ತಂ ದಿನೇ ದಿನೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ತೀರ್ಥ ಸೇವನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೋ ದ ರೂಪ. ರೂಪ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ, ರೂಪ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೂಪಗಳು ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರನ ರೂಪಗಳೇ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸರ್ವಂ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಯನ ಪಥಗಾಮಿ ಭವತು ಮೇ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಆ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥಳಾಗಿರೋ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ರೂಪ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತತ್ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೋತುಮಿಚ್ಛಾಮಿ ತ್ವತ್ತೋ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದಾಂಬರ. ಅಯ್ಯ ದ್ವಿಜ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ, ನೀನು ದ್ವಿಜಾಂಬರ ಒಂದು, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದಾಂಬರ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಮಹಾತ್ಮರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರು. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ವಿಘ್ನರು ಪಂಡಿತರು ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಅದು ಗಪ್ಪ ಗೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಿಂಗ್, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನೋ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೀಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್, ಎ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್, he will not waste your time and waste his time. For example, in our Nadaveda Adhyayana Kendra, we have got a wonderful scholar who is 96 years old. And ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಾನು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು is directly jumps into talk and work that he has been doing. Today, he sends that he said that Nath Antavaru, and he has written so much upon the Lalita Sahasranamam and Bhagavatam, etc. So much of research he is doing. God is great. He should give him as much longevity as possible to be active. So 96 years old, imagine, generally all people are having a lot of otherwise. But he is just like a rishi of older times working. ಅಂಥವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಾವು ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಪಾದನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಲಿ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದಾಂಬರ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿತ್ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದಾಂ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿತ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಮಹಾತ್ಮರು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಋಷಿಗಳು ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಹರ್ಷಯೋ ಧರ್ಮ ತಪೋಭಿಗಾಮಾಹ. ಈ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಧರ್ಮ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಎರಡೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ಸು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರಾಜ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಧಿ ಹೋಗಿರುವರು ಅಂಥ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವಿದ ಅಂಬರ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೌ he starts talking about Devi, saying that Nitya. So basically, Nityaiva sa Jagan Murtihi. She is a Jagat itself, is the Murti of Paramatma. Something like, see, in Trivandrum, we have got the temple of that, in Trivandrum, we have got Ranganatha Swami temple, I think so. So that's the only temple which has got 4 doors. So that means Swarupam is so big that one door is not enough for us. ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥನು ಇನ್ನು ಏಕೋ ನೈಕಃ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ತವಕ್ಯಂ ಏಕಃ ಅನೇಕಃ ಅನೇಕಃ ಏಕಃ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಸ್ವರೂಪಂ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ and that Devi is not temporary, Nitya. We are all temporary people. That's why she is called as Shaswati, Nitya, Shaswati ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಿತ್ಯ ಏವ ಜಗನ್ಮೂರ್ತಿ. So because she is constantly live, active, energetic and powerful, Prabhava, she is keeping on creating, sustaining and annihilating. So ಅಂತ ಮಹಾಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ there are many versions talking about that Durga Parameshwari. That's what ನಿತ್ಯೈವ ಸಾ ಜಗನ್ಮೂರ್ತಿ ತತ್ ಸಮುತ್ಪತ್ತಿಃ ಬಹುಧಾ ಶ್ರೂಯತೆ. And see, all Puranas tell differently how was the Udbhava of Devi and Deva. When you go to Devi Bhagavatam, you have completely talk about the Devi Udbhavam and all that. When you go to the Bhagavatam as such, Bhagavata Purana, there you have got about Bhagavan. And especially, for example, the 10th skandham of Bhagavata Vriksham, it's a skandha andre branch. So Bhagavatam is taken as the tree, ವೃಕ್ಷಂ. ಆ ವೃಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಖೆಗಳಿದೆ. ಅಂಥ ಶಾಖೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಶಾಖೆಗಳಿದೆ. 12 ಶಾಖೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದಿ 10th ಶಾಖ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂದ is supposed to be all about ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಚೇಷ್ಟಾಸ್, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಲೀಲಾ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವ, ಪದನಾರವಿಂದಂ ಪದಾರವಿಂದಂ ಪದನಾರವಿಂದೇ ವಿನಿವೇಶಯಂತ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂದರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಉದ್ಭವ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ದೇವಾನಾಂ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಂ ಆವಿರ್ಭವತಿ ಸಾ ಯದಾ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನೇ ತದಾ ಲೋಕೆ ಸಾ ಅಭಿಧೀಯತೆ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದೇವಕಾರ್ಯ, ದೇವಕರ್ಮ, ದೇವಧರ್ಮ. ಸೊ ದೇವಾನಾಂ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಮಾತಾ, ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾರಾಜ್ಞಿ, ಶ್ರೀಮತ್ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ದೇವ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸಮುಜ್ಜತ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಉಜ್ಜದ್ಭಾನು ಸಹಸ್ರಾಭ. ಸೊ ದೇವ ಕಾರ್ಯಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವಳು ಪತ್ತೇ ಉದ್ಭವ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಟಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನಂತ, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಷಿಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಯಾರು ಓದಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸು ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸು. ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೇವ ಕಾರ್ಯ. ಸೊ ದೇವರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಹಾರ ನಿದ್ರಾ ಭಯಮೈಥುನಂ ಚ ಸಮಾನಮೇ ತತ್ ಪಶುಭಿರ್ನರಾಣಾಂ ಧರ್ಮೋ ಹಿ ತೇಷಾಂ ಅಧಿಕೋ ವಿಶೇಷೋ ಧರ್ಮೇಣ ಹೀನಾಃ ಪಶುಭಿಃ ಸಮಾನಾಃ. ಈ ಧರ್ಮ ಈಸ್ ದೇವ ಕಾರ್ಯ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಧರ್ಮಕ್ರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು ಆವಾಗ ಉದ್ಭವ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಸಪ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್, ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯದಾ ಯದಾ ಹಿ ದಾನವೋತ್ಥಾ ಬಾಧಾ ಭವಿಷ್ಯತಿ ತದಾ ತದಾ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಾಮಿ ಹರಿಸಂಶಯೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು destroy or remove all those people who are against dharma, who are endangering dharma, to all of them to dispose, I am being born. ಧರ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪನಾರ್ಥಾಯ ಸಂಭವಾಮಿ ಯುಗೆ ಯುಗೆ. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ದುರ್ಗಾ ಸಪ್ತಶತಿ is not independent book. It is a Bible or it is a Veda. Because in this sloka form, classical Sanskrit way, the entire essence of the Vedas or Vedic texts have been put into this, but narrated to us in a story form. Therefore, when we are students of Durga Saptati, we are the students of the Veda, all Vedic texts. So, adukosara ilenu utpanna iti loke sa nityabhidiyate. See, in this world, all people say that Ammavaru should come. Ammavaru should be Udbhava Murti. And like that, for example, in Mysore, I got Chamundeshwari, Chandamunda Sarishudini Chamunda. So Mysore Maharajargellargunu, a Chamundeshwari is a Aradhya Devata. Our palace ke hakkondidare Bhuvaneshwari and Rajarajeshwari. These two temples are there at the gate, main gate of the Mysore palace. So Maharajaru hogavaga barovaga ಆ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿಗೆ, ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಭೂದೇವಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಲಲಿತಾ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿ, ಆದಿಶಕ್ತೇಶ್ವರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಟೋದ್ರು ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಹಿಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ತಾಯಿ is a constant watch and guide and rakshaki to all people. So here that Amavaru is called as Nitya. And in Lalita Sahasranam also you got Nitya, Shodasika Rupa, Chidekara Sarupini ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿತ್ಯ ಷೋಡಶಿಕಾ ರೂಪ ನಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಷೋಡಶಿಕಾ ರೂಪ ನಿತ್ಯಾದೇವಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಟ್. And I should thank that gentleman. I'm just getting his name. So he presented such copies to all, getting it framed and then presented to the Vedarjana Kendra. So ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಕ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಆ 16 ನಿತ್ಯ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಷೋಡಶಿಕಾ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. That means say that all Shaktis or energies are compounded and they are all in the Nitya Devi, Lalita Parameswari, Mahadurga. So there is nothing that is impossible for Durga. Therefore, it is said Durga, Durga Arti Nasini. A Durga Devi, enta Arti Adru Kuda, she is a Nasini. She will give peace. She will give emancipation. She will give all that because she is a work inspector, spot decision maker, and she is mobile. So wherever you call her, she doesn't complain, just she is there to help you. In fact, I happened to meet one great Durga Upasaka in Kakinada long years back when I gave a talk on Durga Sapsati in Gautam Lodge. That gentleman is a strong devotee, and whenever he calls her, she will come in a small girl form and a small girl like Bala. Bandhu, she will just sit in his lap and all that. So anta mahan bhavarnu kuda avakasa ammavaru kottidale nododake. So that's really, and I used to ask him so many things, but only once or twice I met him done. Anyway, that's why she is such that she is utpanna, nitya, devanam karya. Her target is to only make the gods reinstalled, make the dharma re-established. So then, who is that Mahamaya or Mahakali or Nitya Devi? In the next sloka we see Yoga Nidram Yada Vishnu Jagatyayikarnavi Krute Astirya Sesham Abhajato Kalpante Bhagavan Prabhu Tada Dvavasurau Ghorau Vikhyatau Madhukaitabhau Vishnu Karnamalodbhutau Hamtum Brahmana Mujjatau. Ottira yaradu 67, 68. Anyway, but I explain and stop because we are almost at the verge of time, and next class we'll do it. So that Nitya Devi yaru andre Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra andre ellaru nidde ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, but all our vidya is temporary. Ashashwata Maranam. And Shashwata Maranam andre ದೇಹವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಟೋಗೋದು. So it is a temporary death. Everybody will go through temporary death every night, but nobody is afraid of sleep. Everybody invites sleep very happily. Vasan ಹೇಳಿ ದೇವಾನಾಂ ಆ 3 ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳು ಓದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ದೇವಾನಾಂ ಕಾರ್ಯಸಿದ್ಧ್ಯರ್ಥಂ 60.
ದೇವಾನಾಂ ಕಾರ್ಯಸಿದ್ಧ್ಯರ್ಥಂ ಆವಿರ್ಭವತಿ ಸಾ ಯದಾ उत्पन्नेति तदा लोके सा नित्या अप्यभिधीयते. योगनिद्रां यदा विष्णु जगत्ये कारणवीकृते आस्तीर्या शेषमभजत् कल्पान्ते भगवान् प्रभुः. तदा द्वावासुरौ घोरौ विख्यातो मधुकैटभौ विष्णुकर्णामलोद्भूतौ हन्तुं ब्रह्माणमुद्यतौ.
Yesterday we had a good preamble introducing the qualification, desirability, influence, ability, and constancy available in Parameswari. And there are so many names given for that energy supreme. And for that, in this Durga Sapsati first chapter, she is called Yoga Nidra. And that is Yoga Nidradalli, Vishnu is a victim for that. Haranetra Krutalayam anta. Mahakali, she took her residence in the eyes of Paramatma, Vishnu. And so Yoga Nidra Yada Vishnu Jagati Ekarnavi Kruta. So Ekarnava, Arnava is Samudram. Ekarnava means single. Though there are, even the Samudras also got divided. See, all the Samudras, when they are all together, it becomes Mahasamudra. When all Lakshmis are together, grouped up at one as one entity, it's called Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, Mahakali, Mahadurga, etc. Is that Mahasabda is being used in Saundara Lahari and in Sivananda Lahari. Shankaracharya defines what is that Maha. And even Narayana Upanishad also Mahaityadityaha anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And in the Mahaityadityaha ಭೂ ಭುವಃ ಸುವಃ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಹಾಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಮಹತ್ವ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ there is a much discussion on that and deliberations on that. So he becomes Vishnu Jagati Ekarnam ಅಂದ್ರೆ there were no oceans divided. Later on the oceans have been divided. Later on the forests have been divided because the land also is divided. Now we have got around 200 for more than 200 countries. What is a country? Land pieces. So the entire Bhu Prapancham, other than water Prapancham or Nirna, so they are all divided into America, India, Australia, Greeks, etc., etc. Ivella 240 and more. And we have got more than 500 languages in the world. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಾಹುಳತ್ವ ಏಕತ್ವೇತು ಏಕತ್ವಂ ಬಹುಳತ್ವಂ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ whoever comes to outside India, they are all called Indians only. They don't talk, he's a North Indian, South Indian, Adu, Gujarati, Bengali, Andhri, nothing like that. Oh, he's Indian. Anta, common name is the country name they take to individuals. And I give you one example, I remember. So one 5 rupee note fell down in the airport when I came first time here, and I was not aware of it. And somebody picked up, oh, this is Indian rupee. Who is the Indian around here? And that's what they searched, and then ultimately I got the 5 rupee note. So I remember, who is the Indian here? So I know Indian rupee and recognize madode. So Vishnu was occupied by Yoganidra, and so she will not get out from Vishnu Aikyata, but unless proper prayer. That's why prayer is the only one tool that will make everybody to budge to our desires. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು, ಐ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್. ಈ ತರಹ ನಾವು ವಿನಯದಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದು ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತೈತ್ರಿಯ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುಗಳು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತನ್ನಮ ಇತ್ಯುಪಾಸೀತ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾವಾನ್ ಭವತಿ. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ವಿನಯದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಜೋರು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರೋ ಪೆನ್ ಕೊಡು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಪೆನ್ ಅಂತ ಮೈಲ್ಡಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಯಿತು. ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಮಹಾಕಾಳಿ, ದಟ್ ಕಾಳರಾತ್ರಿ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ, ಆ ಯೋಗನಿದ್ರಾದೇವಿ, ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು, so that he will become aware of the crisis around the Brahmadeva, whom to kill the Madhu and Kaitava Rakshasas were attacking. Secondly, the Madhu Kaitava Rakshasas were so powerful, and they are children of Vishnu himself. Therefore, next sloka, as our Vasan read it, Vishnu Karnamalodbhutau Antum Brahmana Mujjatau. So Vishnu Karna Malodbhutau. These Rakshasas were born out of the earwax of Vishnu. That's why you imagine when Vishnu has that human form, anthropomorphic way, whatever is human, all the human will occur to the avatar Swarupam, because the Paramatma will forget in avatars what they are. For example, Rama. When Rama is fighting with Ravanasura, Ordinarily, then Matali ultimately tells, what Rama, you are Vishnu Aparavataram, you forgot you are Narayana, apply Brahmastram upon Ravanasura. Why do you play with his time? You cannot play with him. You cannot. So employ Brahmastram anta Matali na Ramanige ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ when Brahmastram ಈ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then Ravana was done for. So ಈ ತರಹ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಆದರೂ all the time Rama behaved as only human being. Nowhere you can see, unless others will come and tell. Only in ಯುದ್ಧಕಾಂಡ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅಂತ. He doesn't mind. No, my brother Bharata is waiting. I should quickly get back to Bharata and take hold of the Rajyam. That was human responsibility, and as an emperor or as a king or as a Kshatriya. ಸೊ ರಾಮಾಯಣದಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ದಿಸ್ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಸಪ್ತಸತಿ is all like that. So next we'll be able to do come across the kind of prayer that gods have done to various gods. So just reading the sloka is one thing, but trying to pick up the content inside the sloka, because every word is well balanced, giving connection to other Vedic texts and Vedic stories behind or preambles, so that we will understand. So making great namaskara to Goddess Durga Parameswari, who is going to enter into our puja gruha and taking all puja and upasana and naivedyams, and we stop here. Om Swasti.
ಅನಾಹುತು ಸಹನೋ ಭುನಕ್ತು ಸಹ ವೀರ್ಯಂಕರವಾವಹೈ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಾವಧೀತಮಸ್ತು ಮಾ ವಿದ್ವಿಷಾವಹೈ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಹರಿ ಓಂ ತತ್ಸತ್. ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಶ್ರೀ ವಾಸುದೇವಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಶ್ರೀ ಮಾತೃಚರಣಾರವಿಂದಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಓಂ ತತ್ಸತ್. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
ಹರಿ ಓಂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ
Sir,
ಗುರುಜಿ.
one
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.